Do ye have pain? Do thee have swelling? Is thy finger as big as thy foot?
I hammered me foot while building a church.
A rat just bit my hand, he did.
Me husband dropped out of airborne plague. Me cat ate me last portion of gruel. And me neighbor keeps throwing his chamber pot in the street. I feel like I'm gonna faint. Oh, fie!
Ye will feel no pain, not until thy visits the healer's shop in Blood and Bone Alley.
You mean my foot will be fixed?
So my hand will turn from green to pale white again?
So my nausea will be gone?
No, no more pain. Come and visit the bone setter's shop, where we will see that thy bone is set to right again.
Lean back and it'll all be over in a minute. Just like when St. Martin's eyes were plucked from his head.
Thank you, kind soul.
'Twas no problem. And remember, God save the king.
Yes, God.
And now with a shilling off thy normal price, leeches can be bought dime a dozen. Simply insert the leech on thy skin, and let the magic, not to be mistaken with witchcraft, happen. Bloodletting has never been easier now that we have the ultimate blood bowl. Put the leeches in like so, and transportation can be simpler than ever. Put it on your head, and make sure not to run, as you might jar the leeches out of their tiny little minds. When you are done with your bloodletting, take the leech off and put away for further purposes. The leeches should be stored in dark, damp areas, like this closet right here. Make sure there's no hole in the side so that the devil will not go in and infest these tiny little boogers. That right?
The swelling in my arm is better.
Behold the wonder of the leech.
My hands can bend again.
Leeches may not be for everybody. Stay clear if ye be thin, frail, or sinful, as ye might have the life sucked out of ye. Side effects may include dizziness, vomiting, bleeding, blood poisoning, and death. If any of these symptoms occur, please inform your local healer immediately.
Leeches may not be for everybody. If this be the case, simply remove the leeches from the table and fill your patient up with ale so that they can't tell night from day. Go have a strip, chug it, chug it. Hey. I'm gonna take that away from you there. Not paid for doing this, stop it! Okay, now lean your patient back on the chair. Put the hand firmly on the table and take your sharp-bladed saw. Make sure your patient is fully... Stop it! Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna simply saw your hand off right there, okay? Careful, careful. Easy does it. Quit that shaking there. Oh, there we go. We're going into the bone now. Ooh, that was a crunchy one. All right. Oh, last flap of skin. Hang tight there. Oh, we got it. Good show, good show. All right then. And remember, God save the king.
God save the king.
Loss of blood may occur. And what herbs can keep you from fainting? On thy way back from the bloodletter, visit the apothecary to see what herbs are in store.
All right. So you're having nauseating effects, right?
Yes.
All right. So in order to do that, we're going to make you a compress. And how you can do that at home is you're going to take a bit of mint. Up here, you see the mint? You're also going to put in a bit of sage, and if you can get some dung. Ass dung is particularly preferred. But also we're going to make you some tea, all right?
Yeah.
So, to make tea, we're going to take some lemon right here. See the lemon? You can identify it. Very good. Right, and we're going to crush it all up in our little mortar and pestle here. Oh, it smells real good. Then we're gonna go ahead and stick it all in there. And, you know, take, boil some water against the stove. If you don't have a stove, get a friend to boil it for you. There you go.
Alright. Me nausea's gone. Me mucus has been spit out. And me diarrhea has been flung in a me chamber pot. Oh, thank you very much.
No problems.
Again, all of these are available at Blood and Bone Alley. All sales are final. Returns not accepted.